Alright guys, we got some cooked eggplant, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry about that. I just had some Hawaiian salt. No need to measure, Jess? No need to measure? No? Uh-oh. Oh, you got... How many pots you got it going off over here, Jess? Wow! Look at Jess wants to fall asleep right. You okay, Jess?
Yeah.
Oh, Jess is tired. You tired, baby? No? You okay? You can do it? What time is it anyway, guys? Not too bad. 9:14, guys. So what we have here, cooked oxtail. Oxtail.
Oh my god, this is really soft.
Is it soft now? Oh, okay, good.
Very soft now.
Mm. Pressure cooker did its job there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Jess, what do you think?
Yeah.
It's nice. Look at that, guys. Holy moly. Oh, that looks like the adobo that we ate today, Jess.
Yeah, but you have to take it out from that.
Oh, yeah. Jess is like half awake already, guys. Still beautiful, of course. Wow. Alright, guys.
This for my alamang.
Just put the garlic here.
This is for my alamang.
Huh?
That's for my alamang.
Alamang? Yeah, so this is part of the dish though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna mix that with this thing, guys, right over here. Sauteed shrimp paste, guys.
So this is not good.
And just got the brown sugar out. I don't know what you can do with the brown sugar, baby. I'm gonna put it. Oh, you're gonna put it all together? And what's that? What's that there?
Just a little bit spicy.
Oh, red pepper, guys. Smells good now. Oh, smells good. Pepper, guys. Pepper.
I like it.
Oh, it's coming out, guys. Shrimp paste. I can memorize all this, yeah. Oh, smell good?
This is really good.
Oh, that's a lot of shrimp paste. Yeah.
No, because I'm not gonna put it all down. I'm gonna eat it. Put my rice. It's really good. It's really good.
Alright guys, next phase, boiling.
I think I have to transfer this one right here.
Yeah, well that's the simmer area.
You have to cook it only half cook only. So.
There goes the pit chai, guys. Chinese, what is this? Chinese what?
Chinese just like a cabbage, but it's
Chinese
a
cabbage?
different. Cabbage, a long cabbage. I don't know. It's a different.
There you go. Boiling action now.
Yeah. You have to boil that so that
Oh.
I put salt, so I want to make sure that that's fine. Put salt.
My God.
You have to taste. It's
Okay.
not too salty.
What's that, Romeo? I mean, yeah, what's going on? No, Romeo, you're not.
Mommy
Stop.
cooking. Yes, I'm a cooking son. Hold on. I never even take a bath yet. Yeah, wait. Let me cook this. And afterwards, I can start frying now.
Frying.
It's really-
Alright, guys, I just took out the boiled pit chai.
Yeah. Go pick time. You have to take it out.
Okay. Alright, get my phone out of the way, guys.
You have to cook all of that.
Wow, all separate?
You have to separate. It's all about how to separate.
So just is now cooking the long beans, which is the hardest ingredient to get. Apparently. What are you putting in that? Okay. Oh yeah. Just the sabah from the meat.
Yeah, the sababa meat. I'm mixing all the rice flour, and then what you call that? The sweated color, and a little bit salt. Later, I'm gonna put black pepper later. And we're cooking.
Oh, a lot of bowls. I mean, a lot of pots and pans you're using for this
That's not really.
dish.
And then maybe I'm gonna go get one scoop of the peanut butter later.
Oh, where are you gonna put that? In there?
Later, I'm gonna boil it first. I'm gonna go put some black pepper so that I don't have to put it later. Put plenty. So this good and then put away. Now, and then mix it. It's right there. If you are making the color to become the color, you go add this one. That's where this is a food coloring.
Oh, food
I'm gonna
coloring.
put
Okay.
later on. Later. It's not.
I thought you put already that.
Only a little bit, but I just gonna put somewhere how it look like.
Okay.
Oh, never yet. It's not cooked yet. Fine.
Uh huh.
This is a good avocado oil.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, I'll just wait because I have to cook this.
Stop.
Shh.
Hey. Shh. Hoy. So let's put some avocado there. And she's gonna cook. What is this? The onions and the garlic.
Garlic and onions.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Waiting for the bubble.